So for an example of kind of what my morning looks like, because that's really what I time blocked. My alarm will go off around like 5:55, basically. And by 6:10, I got to be outside walking. I go on a walk for about 30 minutes. The first night, dog, I'm like dragging out of the door, freaking eye boogers still in my eyes, bro. And it's cold and shit. You know, I got a little ski mask on to keep my nose from freaking getting all cold, right? And so that was intentional. It was like I knew I wouldn't be up, but I said it like I literally wake up at 5:55 and I gotta be like start my Apple Watch at 6:10 for my walk. So I don't have time to lay around and, you know, let the bitch win, basically. You know, let my inner bitch, you know, take.
That's what it is. It's a hard ass. I still lose the battle like once a week.
Hey, bro, I'm going good right now. And that was my biggest thing. It's like, you know, my big ass. I gotta get outside. I gotta start moving. And so that was real intentional to get me moving. And then around 6:40 is 6:40 to 7:40 is kind of have an hour to kind of, you know, get some coffee. You know, take my shower, just, you know, get into the day a little bit. And then I got to be at the office between 8:30 so I can be gone at 11 from the office. Man, so mine, again, just starting it. So there's no, I don't have anything in there like meditation or affirmations, stuff like that. I mean, those are things that I think eventually I will implement. But mine is strictly, you know, you got to have short-term goals for the most part. And the biggest thing for me was to make sure that I get up, make sure that I start moving, right? And to make sure I'm at the office when I say I'm going to be there. And then obviously when I get home from the office, I take my kids to school because they got to be there. They're in the afternoon class or session. So I have to get them in school by 11:50. And so I get home, get that taken care of, make sure they're dressed and all that good stuff. And then from 12 till they get out about 2:45, 2:50, that's strictly time for me and my wife.